Well, yes, people, welcome to a new review and comparison between two money sending apps. PayPal and Wise are two prominent platforms for international money transfers. In this review, we will compare these two services in terms of their features, fees, exchange rates, ease of use, and overall performance to help you determine which one suits for you for specific financial needs. Well, some features from PayPal. Global reach. PayPal is widely accepted worldwide and you can use it for various purposes, including online shopping, sending money to friends and family, and business transaction. Multiple funding options. PayPal allows you to link your account to bank account, credit card, or debit card or for funding. Currency conversion. PayPal can convert funds into recipient's currency if necessary. Well, we go look to the pros and cons of PayPal. Versatility. PayPal services at both as money transfer services and a popular payment method for online purchases. Broad acceptance. Many businesses and individuals around the world use PayPal, making it easy for recipients to access their funds. Security. PayPal provides robust security measures to protect your transactions. Well, now some cons. Higher fees. PayPal's fees for international money transfers can be higher than those of specialized remittance services like Wise. Variable exchange rates. PayPal's exchange rates may not always be as favorable as those offered by dedicated currency exchange platforms. Well, now we have Wise. Features. Transparent fees. Wise is known for its transparent fee structure, which often results in lower overall costs compared to traditional banks and PayPal. Real exchange rate. Wise uses the real mid-market exchange rate, offering you a fair rate without hiding markups. Multi-currency account. Wise provides multi-currency accounts that allow you to hold, send, and receive money in multiple currencies, reducing the need for currency conversion. Well, what are the pros of Wise? Low fees. Wise fees are typically lower than those of many other money transfer services, including PayPal. Transparent pricing. Wise shows you the exact exchange rate and fees upfront, ensuring you know what you pay for. Fast transfers. Wise offers fast and efficient transfers in various currencies, often arriving within hours. So fast transfers. What are the cons, guys? The cons is limited use cases. Wise primarily focuses on international money transfers and currency exchange, making it less versatile than PayPal for various financial transactions. Well, people can't pay with Wise on your web shop, for example, and you can with PayPal on a website or a web shop, whatever. Yes, physical presences. While Wise is accessible online and top mobile apps, it may not have as many physical locations or customer service options as PayPal. PayPal is way bigger in services. So if you have problems with Wise, it's harder to contact someone from the customer service, for example. Well, now the conclusion, guys. Both PayPal and Wise have their strengths and weaknesses, so your choice should be depend on your specific financial needs and priorities. PayPal is a versatile platform suitable for various financial transactions, but it may come with higher fees for international transfers. On the other hand, Wise offers transparent pricing, favorable exchange rate, and lower fees. It may making it an excellent choice, for international money transfers and currency exchange. Consider factors such as country you need to send money to, your preferred level of transparency, and your willingness to pay for convenience when deciding between PayPal and Wise. Ultimately, your decision should align with your individual requirements for international financial services. So, this was it. Hope you liked it, and please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews and comparing videos. Thank you. See you soon. Bye bye.